There are two main different types of constructions of fiber optic cable. One is loose tube and one is tight buffer. Loose tube fiber optic cable is mainly used for long haul applications in outdoor use. The reason for this is the term loose tube comes from the fact that you have fiber optic glass free floating in the tubes, whether it is a gel or what is more common in today's day and age, a dry compound to prevent any kind of water penetrating into the fiber optic cable. Water, as with anything else, can cause a lot of damage, and that's why it is very important to have these things. Tight buffer cables is a little bit different because now instead of having multiple fibers within one cable, you have buffering tubes that contain the fiber optic cable. The main application for tight buffer uses is indoor use. The reason for that is tight buffer allows for higher flexibility as well as different type of jacketing materials. While both can be used both indoor and outdoor, their main applications are loose tube for outdoor use as well as tight buffer for indoor use. Within these cables you have different types of fiber optic glass that you can use. The main two classifications are single mode and multi-mode. Single mode means that one single transmission is transmitted in one signal direction. Multi-mode means that the electrical signal can be transmitted both forwards and backwards, hence the term multi-mode. In multi-mode it used to be 62.5 micron, and now is being switched to 50 micron. That is mainly the size or the overall diameter of the fiber optic glass being used. As you go from an OM1, which is a 62.5, to OM4, your bandwidth and speed of transmission is increasing from 1 gig to 10 gigs. The main applications for loose tube cables are in outdoor use. It's for long haul applications when you're going over a very large distance. The loose tube has better environmental control capabilities as opposed to a tight buffer cable. While tight buffer can still offer you that, the compounds used in a loose tube application are more suitable for outdoor use. Tight buffer, its ease of termination, the flexibility of it, is better suited for indoor uses when you have corners or existing cabling already there and you're trying to pull this cabling in the same environment. That's the main reason why you use tight buffer indoors.